Peter Toogood from the Lancashire Maths team, and I'm going to show you how to play a game called Steps, which is a place value game particularly good at helping you to learn about ordering numbers. It's suitable for any age. You need a game board that you can print off, and you need a set of numbers. So depending on how old you are, you just choose the set of numbers that's appropriate for you. Today, I'm going to use the numbers 0 to 20, so that's what they are. It's normally played in twos, so you need a game board each and a set of cards each. But today, I'm going to play it on my own, and I want to see how quickly I can fill the board without having to throw any cards in the bin. The first thing you've got to do then to play the game is shuffle the cards and make sure they're facing down. The aim of the game is to place a card on each step so that when the game board is full, the numbers are in the correct order from the smallest to the largest. If you choose a card that can't go because there isn't a space left, it's to go in the bin. Right, I'm going to start and play. My first number is 0. I think I know where I'm going to put that. Right down there, in the smallest. The next number is 2, and I'm going to put it there. The next number is 19. I'm going to put it right at the top of the board. The next number is 18. So I'm going to place it there. I've got 2 spaces left. I'll just remind you what I've got. I've got 0, 2, I've got a space on a step, there's another space, and then 18 and 19. My next number is 20, and I can't put it down, so it's got to go in the bin. I'm going to turn over another one, and it's 13. Now, where do I put that? Should I put it near the 2 or near the 18? I'm going to place it there, and I've got 1 space to fill. So far, I've only put 1 card in the bin. And it's a 10, and 10 goes between 2 and 13, and I've completed the board, and I've only thrown 1 card in the bin. Thanks for watching. Bye.